Hey folks, this is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. It is about 12:48 East Coast time, AM, well PM, I guess that'd be PM. It's still AM for me, but it's 12:48 PM East Coast time, June 13, 2023. I want to talk about a couple of charts that I'm taking a look at, a couple that I'm in, one that I just closed, and a little bit how I'm going to read the SPY going forward here for the very, very near future. So I just closed out an hour ago or so half of my PFE for 27% or $700 on 6 contracts. We did send out an alert to members and trial members. If you're not a member or a trial member, please check below. There's a link there for the trial, 50% discount you'll see when you get in there. And at the very least, click that button that says subscribe and the bell to our YouTube channel, okay? That's free, and I post a ton of information on YouTube. So click that subscribe button, click on that bell, and you'll be notified whenever I put a new video out. Okay. Let's get going here. So that was a nice little 24% on 27% on PFE. It still looks like it has room to move, so I'm going to hold that second half for now. Another one I want to look at is FedEx, and on the end we'll take a look at how I'm going to read the SPY in the very near future, like next couple of days or so. FedEx is looking pretty good to me. I'm considering buying that. I have not bought it yet. It's going to have to show its strength over the 50-period moving average, which is that dotted blue line right there. It's going to have to prove that. So probably not going to be today. It may be in a couple of days from now after it pops up and rests a little bit. That's what I'll be looking for on FedEx. Another one is CVS. Now, we bought CVS earlier this morning, and we did send an alert out. We were talking about it live in the trading room. Currently up 10% on CVS. Yeah, about 10% on CVS. So it's doing pretty good. Let's see here. CVS, I bought 10 contracts. Actually, it's almost 11%, represents about $625. So not too bad. Still looking like it has more room to go. The Trendicator is trending very nicely. We're in a rounded bottom breakout. We have a nice little double bottom set up here. CVS is looking good. If you have the app, stay tuned. I will send out more alerts on CVS on what we're doing with it. Again, trial link below. Okay, trial link below, 50% off. Get those alerts. Okay, let's take a look at the SPY, and here's how I'm going to read the SPY. First of all, there's no question it's a bit overbought. Okay, we've got a nice pop out of the box that we popped out of right here. Let me share that with you. A nice little pop out of the box, and we got bullish here. So now what's happening in this little bullish run is we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 days higher. It's time to protect profits, I think, at least excuse me, at least from my point of view for my trading. And here's how I'm going to read that. I'm going to use the 3-bar chart. Now that's something we do quite often. I love the 3-bar chart. Learn more about it. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click that bell. Learn more about it. I talk about it often. So this is the first bar for today. This is the second bar today. And I'm waiting for the third bar today. So what I'm going to do is use a John from one of our other divisions, the day trading division. He calls it a 1-bar stop when he's day trading I think he uses a 10-minute chart. What I'm going to look at here is, call it just a 1-bar clue. So you see how these are all 3 bars, or the 3-bar chart. So each bar represents 1/3 of the day. Notice how we've got a low, a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. The minute we make a lower low, or maybe close a lower low, that's when I'm going to consider that as a excuse me, as a clue that we may be in pullback mode. All right, not bear mode necessarily, just pullback mode. So at this moment, and it is 12:54 East Coast time right now, June 13, 2023. If the 3rd bar comes in and does something like this, sorry, I have a frog in my throat. Say we open up that bar and we start coming down a little bit. That's going to be my clue that we may be in pullback mood. So it's a 1-bar clue on the 3-bar chart. Again, click that subscribe button, click that bell to get notified. If you'd like to take a trial, click on that link in the chat stuff below for the 50% discount on the trial. Thanks everybody for listening. Appreciate you watching our video. You guys all take care now.